Okay, so I'm changing the fuel filter on this Duratorq Kuga engine. It's the 2-litre engine. It's exactly the same as the Edge setup over here. And obviously, first things first, disconnect the battery. Anytime you're working on an engine, always disconnect the battery. My little protector. Right, got 3 bolts there to take off first. Use a load of the kitchen roll. Okay, so first things first is clip that electrical connector. Pull that locking tab back, lift up that little bit there, and slip it off like that. With these little connectors, there's a little middle bit here. You pull up like that, and then you push down the sides. See it going down? And you hold the sides down, and then this will come out very easily. It's as simple as that. Don't be yanking it. There's no need to yank anything. It all comes off very easily. And the same with the clip down the side. A little bit in the middle, little screwdriver, just leave it up very gently, nice and easy. Push the outside bits down and push the outside bits down, and it comes off the angle. So it does come off like so. And it might be worth just easing that out over there, and then we are off. And you can see a bit of fuel dripping out. It's a 24mm socket on the top, nice and gently just turn it like that. Might have to go back and forth just to, don't push it, it will go. Just gently. Get stuck, go back on yourself that way, and then turn again. Little connector, and it will come nice and loose, like so. There's one I did earlier from an Edge. And we just turn it and lift her out, the lid, please. And then we take the filter out. Just pull it out. And you get a nice dirty one. Ta-da! There's loads of diesel in there, which I'm going to remove because I like to put fresh diesel in there. I had a syringe a bit easier, but I don't know what I've done with it. Soak up the rest. New filter, Ford, don't use them, only use genuine parts, and a seal that goes over the top. So we clip in the new filter in there. That should just slot in there nicely. Like so. Just doesn't click, it just sort of locks into place. And I'm going to put some nice fresh fuel in there. like so. Put the new seal on. Roll it over. Like so. Just put a tiny bit of diesel just on there to lubricate it so it goes, doesn't get crimped in any way. And then it's a matter of putting it back on, screwing it back in. Let's lift those out of the way. And it'll come round and just slot in place. Don't have to do it tight, just locks into place there. Make sure those little clips are out on the outside and gently tease that back in. Not much, just loosen this bit here just to give you a bit of play on it. Don't like putting a lot of pressure on that. So just remove those two little bolts here. So that's a little bit looser. What I might consider doing here is just loosening the filter as well. So just lift it up, gives it a lot more room to slot in for that, and clip the top in and then put that back in again. Back in there. Put that back in there. Lock and tab in. Slot this little lady in now. Clicks in, push down. Make sure they're in properly. Yeah, that's secure. That's secure. Keep clicking, lock and tab. Then clean it up. Move all the kitchen roll. Connect the battery back up. Now before I put this little shield over the top of it, I'm just going to run her up, make sure she's all hunky-dory and she's not leaking. Now I'm just going to run the engine for about 5 minutes and then pop my cover back on. last but not least, the engine cover. That's it.